I will never skip a workout again, unless my couch begs me to stay. Here are 5 weight loss jokes to lighten the load. 1. Why did the Scarecrow become a fitness instructor? He was outstanding in his field. Pause for laughter. 1. What's a fitness enthusiast's favorite candy? Sweat tarts. Yes, they're as gross as they sound. 1. Why don't weightlifters get invited to barbecues? They always try to clean and jerk the grill. Maybe just stick to the salad bar, buddy. 1. How do you know you're at a fancy gym? The treadmills have cup holders for your kale smoothies. Because nothing says luxury like drinking a salad while running. 1. Why did the fitness guru go broke? He tried to get rich by doing crunches. Turns out the only thing he got was abs. So remember, folks, laughter is the best medicine, especially when your abs hurt from all those crunches. Keep smiling and keep sweating.